Hello, and welcome to the second part of our series on Google's Gemma AI vision model. In a previous video, we covered Gemma's incredible ability to read and reason about text within images. But that was just the beginning. Today, we're diving deeper into Gemma's visual intelligence. Prepare to be amazed as we explore how this multi-talented model can identify individual objects, understand the relationships between them, such as size, spatial, hierarchy, etc., and even leverage external training data to answer questions that go far beyond what's visible in the frame. Let's get started. In the first video, we covered in detail how to create the Python environment, along with all this code to process our questions. Please refer to that video if you need help setting this up or understanding the Python code. This time we will be focusing on asking different types of questions about our image. To be brief, we have a setup section and an import section, and a function to process the input. We pass in a model name, an image, and a prompt or question. We ask 4 different types of questions. The first is a basic visual description, then some object recognition and counting, then leveraging external knowledge, and finally, classification. We'll be using this image in our demo. It has several African animals in nature. Let's run this script and view the results. The code takes around 60 seconds to run for each question, except the first time. The model may be doing some caching or optimizing on the first run. Our first answer looks fine. We have run this image and question on several different models and all give a similar answer. The second answer is correct. Part of the zebra is on each side of the elephant's face. This question is a bit ambiguous, as there could be several different answers, based on what part of the elephant you used as reference. The third answer is also correct, with several examples given. The fourth answer is mostly correct. Most of the birds don't quite look like eagles. Their beaks are not shaped like that. There is one bird that doesn't show the beak, so that could be an eagle. The other 2 answers were correct. We can see when the answer is clear to us, the model gets it right. But if there is any ambiguity, the model is free to interpret as it sees fit. We could avoid some of this ambiguity by telling the model to ask questions first, if it is not sure, before giving us an answer. Overall, this model ranks as high as any we have tested so far. If you want to learn more about some of these other models, see our 2 playlists on AI vision models. Link in the description below. Okay, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching our video. As always, questions and comments are welcome. See you next time.